So here's how we can change your profile picture on the text messages on an iPad. So let me show you how it works. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you get inside the Messages app, you're gonna notice that in at the top, like middle portion of the display, you have the picture of the person you are texting with, and you can of course customize their pictures, but you might also be interested in customizing your own one. Right? So the way that it would work for yourself, if you are interested in that, would be by going to the Contacts application where you can see your profile right there. So this is going to be like your card in here, and in there you have the ability to like change your profile picture. So you can click on edit the profile picture, which is like the avatar and also the poster, and you can just customize it that way. Or it would also make sense to just generally set it up for your account by going to the settings and tapping on your profile in there, where you also have the ability to click on your personal information and manage some things in here as well. But one more thing I have to mention is that if the other person you are texting has like your profile picture just like saved differently, like they have literally saved you in their contacts as like different picture, then this is what they will see, and you don't really have much control over that. So that is kind of how it would work. Yeah, it is something that you might be interested in. There is also something which you should know, and it is like sharing of your profile picture with persons which you haven't really talked to before, and you should be able to set it up in the settings. When you go to the apps and messages, there is the ability to like share your name and photo, and I would personally just enable it right here, and also just make sure that you share it with the people that you haven't spoken to with before, and that is how they're going to be able to see you unless they manually change it, as I mentioned before. So I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.